What's up YouTube, Fuzzy Treasures here, and today I have another unboxing video. I know you guys love these, and hopefully you guys just saw my last video, my what sold. If you didn't, can you go and, I'm going to try to put it up here, can you go watch it and just tell me how it is? And I'm trying to do different things and branch out on video styles to see if you guys like that. Just let me know in the comments of that video or this one, and let me know how I did. So anyway, this box is from, actually put it here so it helps me out. It's probably going to be backwards, but I'll put it up there. This was a $300 box, I think it was that I gave them. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Let's just dive right into it. It's open, and we're going to pop off on the first one. And it's on a Caribbean Ocean. These are like the Travis Scott tees, I think. And it feels like it. I hope. Yep. I like these, and again, like the last unboxing I did, I tried to tell you a value on t-shirts, and this time I'm gonna do the value and then maybe put a total, like the actual amount up here. So I think this is like I would say this is like a $40 to $50 tee, because there's nothing on the back. It's like, you know, one of the USA Thunder shirts. I like it. It's actually in very, very good condition. We'll keep going. I actually love like wolves, so that's awesome. Okay, and this next one is on a Hanes tag, and it is a flash shirt, and it is a medium. Unfortunately, it is a single stitch though, so it is vintage. This is probably a $25 to $30 tee right here. Cool. I wish it was my size because I would totally rock it. This is on a Walkeers tag. Has like Rasta vibes, it looks like. You guys can see it. And it's a Rasta dude. Oh, yo, this is sick. It's a Bob Marley Batman Bart tee. I'd say value on this is probably 40 plus. This is sick. I really like this. This is my size too. I've been wanting a Bart tee. This might be the one. It's like a Rasta dude in Jamaica. So I'm gonna open all the ones that, because some of them are packed up. So I'm gonna open those last because I think that's how this box should go. I should have asked you, but whatever. This is on a Calvin Klein's jean. It looks like it's just a nice CK essential. It is actually very, very nice, and it's my size. Probably again another $25 to $30 shirt in my store. Definitely like that. Okay. This is on a polo. It's a 2XL. It's probably just an essential. Yep. A teal polo. Essential. This is 20. Because of size, probably 25 in my store. But we'll see on that. I don't really sell too much vintage like polo tees. I'm a fan of like the polos, like actual polos. This is interesting for sure. Oh, okay. This is the polo stuff I sell. Okay. It's a Ralph Lauren, and it's a Sierra. It's a button down, and I do very well with their button downs, especially like this. This looks like, yeah, okay. I was gonna say it looks like a hunting kind. It has like the patch on the sleeve, which is, it's an elbow patch. But that makes these more desirable. And it's like, oh man, I can't think of the name of this, but it's like a corduroy. It's like a corduroy. It's like a green corduroy. Sierra is the model number, double pockets. This is probably a hunting shirt, if I had to guess. And these do very well for me. This is probably in my store like a $40 thing. I have to look it up, but these go for a lot of money. The big one first. It's jerseys and sporties. Actually, open it. All right, I see off rip. This is on Elite Sports tag. It is Huskies Championship 1999. Double stitched and a lot large. Whoa, that is a tiny large. I would say this is probably $25 in my store. It feels like it hasn't even been worn. Okay, we have a Merino's Best. Looks like it's a Bulls. Got a little sneak peek on it. And yeah, Chicago Bulls NBA championships 1991. Wow, this is super sick. It has like this, it's like puffy paint material on it. I say this is probably up in the 30s, 30 to 35. Maybe it's kind of plain. It's kind of plain, but it has the date, and the whole Last Dance is on now, so it's probably around 30. Sports Attack, okay. I haven't seen one of these before. And it is a Patriots tie-dye tee. Go Pats. Nah. This is cool. I would imagine it's about $25, maybe a little more, but probably not, just because they did just lose the GOAT. Here is another Lee Sports, and it is another Huskies tee, 1997. It's kind of weird. I live in Connecticut, and Huskies are Connecticut, but I don't really find that much Huskies things. And this is the Final Four. Say this is like a 25. Again, here is a brand new with tags Nike team jersey. It's a Heartbreak. Don't recall who this is, but it is an older one. This is probably 2001-ish, saying by the date, but it is new, 2XL. So we'll see. I don't know. Depending on what the player is, because he could easily have been a kicker by the number or a quarterback, and how good he was. So this is to be decided. Probably 30 plus because it's new, like about there. Okay, we have Wizards 23 champion. Okay, I like this. Damn, I wish this was one size smaller because I would totally rock this. This is a big boy jersey. This is 35 plus on this because of the size. Yeah, I like that. Ooh, a starter hockey jersey. It's a starter tag. It's a New York Rangers. It's missing the strings, but that's easily replaced. This is probably another 35 plus. This is I love hockey jerseys. This isn't even a jersey. It's just like a pullover, but these things sell really well for me. This one's kind of open, so we're gonna. This is 80s and 90s with timestamp. Okay, pull some off the top. We got a Looney Tunes. Looks like it's one of my favorites, Foghorn Leghorn. I say, chicks dig me. Okay, I like it. This is probably $25 in my store. All right, we got. Can't find the tag. Dang, Tennessee Gold. It's like 90s, a little bit later than 90s. Oh, excuse me, 1988. Miss Salug. Miss Salagoon. Excuse me. I don't know what this is exactly, but I will look it up, and I'll put the price up here somewhere. 1988. That is in really good condition. Okay. This is on a Juanita tag. It is. Don't know just quite yet. Oh, Cheers. Okay. Cheers, Boston. Has a little hit sleeve, corporation. I can't value this. I would value it probably 25 plus. I don't know. I need to do a little more research on that. Ooh, here we go. Liquid blue. Oh man, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Got a liquid blue lion tee. And this is single stitch, so it is 1994. Man, this hits hard. This is probably going into the personal. I wouldn't really know a value on this. Probably 35 to 40. But I think I'm going to have to hold on to this for a little bit. I love the animal, like liquid blue tees. Alright. No tag. And we got Oasis. Okay. I've actually never seen an Oasis shirt before. But I don't know value on that either. So we'll see. It has no date or it is double stitched, but we'll see. I know them as a band. And this is on a triple AAA. I don't know what it is just yet, but it is a ringer tee, which is super, super dope. It is Counting Crows. Okay, familiar but not familiar. So I don't know value, 40 plus I'd imagine, but we'll find out. It is in very, very good condition as well. I like Nintendo Starter Pack, because I do like Nintendo. Alright, so we have this, which is a Game Boy, just the original Game Boy, and it is a fanny pack, I believe. Yep, it'll match my other one that I used to have over here, but it's on the floor now because I have that one. Yeah, not really much to say. This is going to be for me. Put it over there with my other one. Oh man. Okay, on a Pro Delta, we have, it's your boy, Super Mario. And this is super dope, 2008. Super dope. I love I love how he's just just a badass. I actually don't have any Mario shirts. I should probably start investing, since I have a Donkey Kong shirt, but hey. Value, I don't know, 2008, I'd imagine it's still pretty up there because, like, even a 2008 Mario shirt is pretty rare on these occasions. Alright, so we have 2 pieces left, and first I want to thank you for this box. In my head, it looks like it's a great box, and if you guys are looking for a box, I'd contact him right here. So yeah, if you guys like these kind of videos, I do unboxings. I'm starting to try to do some what's sold videos, and I think I'm gonna do a tour of my top my collection of vintage t-shirts in the next video. And I have 2 more mystery boxes coming in, and I'm always buying more, so if you guys have, it doesn't have to be a mystery box, it can just be a wholesale box, and I'm always buying. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you like these kind of videos. Once this pandemic is over, I'm going to try to do some ride-alongs, some trips to the thrift, and yeah, I mean, the whole world sucks right now, but we're all going to get through it. Just keep a cool head. And we're going to open this up. It says it's signed by a Hall of Famer, so I'd imagine it's some sort of baseball or something like that. Oh, okay. Hell yeah. So we got a Steelers hat, which is not gonna leave my sight. I don't even know who that is, but it doesn't matter. This is super dope. Oh man, let's plop this junk on. Oh, it doesn't fit right now. Dude, this is awesome. Thank you. What? Starters too? Yo, this is dope. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, so the last tee is the rap tee. So I guess I say it's a USTS, and it looks like it is an American Idol rap tee 2003. This is hilarious. It's got Ruben Studdard on it, right? I think that's what his name is. Wow, this is hilarious. I don't know a value on this, but this is fantastic. I kind of hope this fits. I kind of want to wear it. It's like, I wish you guys could feel this material. It's like brand new. Awesome, awesome. Well, thank you again for watching, for supporting and following along. And just want to say thank you to everyone. We got 100 subscribers, which is kind of crazy. I didn't really think I was gonna get there. I only started this channel like 2 months ago, and all like the support from you guys is awesome. Like I can't thank you guys enough. But until the next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.